tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use American Express points for flights. So let's get started. Now, there are two main ways to use your American Express membership rewards points for flights. The first one is booking directly through American Express Travel. Now, this is the easiest and most straightforward option. You can browse for flights through the American Express Travel website or app. Select Pay with Points at checkout and choose how many points you want to use. So, that should be a minimum of 1,000 points are required. You can pay the remaining balance with your American Express card or other payment methods. American Express Travels offer various airlines and flight options, including deals and special promotion. The second way is to transferring points to airline loyalty program. This can potentially offer more redemption value, but it requires additional steps. Choose an airline partner for of American Express membership rewards, such as Delta Sky Miles, Marriott Bonvoy, or British Airways Executive Club. Transfer your points to the chosen airline's loyalty program at a specific conversion rate, usually 1,000 membership rewards points to 750 airline miles. Once your points are transferred, book your desired flight directly through the airline's website or app using your accumulated miles. Now, here are some additional things to consider when using your American Express gift card, American Express points for flights. Point transfer fees. Some airline partners charge fee for transferring points from American Express. Blackout dates. Certain dates may be unavailable for booking with points, even if seats are open for cash purchases. Award availability. Award seats may be limited, so booking in advance is recommended. Promotional offers. American Express occasionally offers deals and bonuses for using points on specific airlines or routes. Now, to decide which method is the best for you, now if you want the easiest and quickest option, use American Express Travel. If you want the most flexibility and potentially better value, consider transferring points to an airline partner. I recommend exploring both options and comparing value before making a decision. You can also use online tools and resources to compare point redemption rates and find the best deals for your desired flights. So I hope that helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.